Welcome back to Fix It with Feng Shui Q&A, where I answer your Feng Shui questions. So if you have a Feng Shui question, if you have a question about a certain part of your home or a certain part of your life where the energy isn't flowing, ask me in the comments below. Email me at jill@jillathea.com or message me on Facebook or Instagram, and I will answer your question on the next episode. So Jan asked about where I would suggest wood energy be placed, plants specifically. And this is a great question because this is something I encourage all of my students and clients to do, is to shop your home. So use the things that you already have to create a flow of energy. And likely you put a lot of these things already in the right places in your home based on the Bagua map, but there are certain things that we can move around to create an even better flow. And so when it comes to wood energy, plants specifically, we're going to look at the areas where the main element is wood, and then we're going to look at one of the areas where the building element is wood. So to begin with, what we'll do is we'll focus on the abundance and the community areas, because the main element in these areas is wood. And when we look at plants, these can be real plants or artificial plants. They both have wood energy, that's fine. The only thing that we want to avoid in this case is anything dried. So dried floral arrangements, the dried stick twig things that are used for decor. I was teaching in the class that I took my consultancy from a college, and then I went back and taught the classes. And I was teaching the class going on and on about how, dried floral arrangements and dried things were all dead energy because they just don't carry any energy with them. And so I'm saying it's a good idea to remove them from your home. And so I'm going on, and I have this one student raise their hand and they're like, my whole business is dried floral arrangements. And I about wanted to die at the front of the room, and she goes, well, I guess I'm going to switch to silk and artificial. And I'm like, you are, because you want to bring energy into the homes of the people that purchase these arrangements. But when we're taking a look at wood energy, we're looking at live or artificial plants in that manner. So we'll look in those wood element areas. So where are they? So standing in your front door, back left corner of your home is the abundance area, and then in that third of your home, in the middle is the community area. So we have the abundance and community areas. We're going to add the wood energy. So like my office is in the community area in my home. So if you notice, like I've got a ton of wood energy. All of my desks are wood. And then this is actually the abundance area, energy area in my office, because we also lay the Bagua map separately on bedrooms and separately on offices. And so you're adding wood energy into those areas to create that flow of energy. So when you're adding plants into the abundance area, into the community area, and you can move them from around your home. Thinking about Feng Shui cures, it doesn't need to be something new. It just needs to be something new to the area. Place it with the intention of what you want with regards to abundance. Place it with the intention of what you want with regards to your community, which is relationship with family and friends, co-workers. It is also about your daily bills. Placing these plants with intention. The other area where we could add plant energy is into the self-discovery area, because that's the fire element, but wood is the building element to fire. And so, because wood feeds fire. And so that is in the back third of your home in the middle. So it's a great area for plants as well. Where we're avoiding plant energy and a whole bunch of the wood element is in the relationship, well-being, and wisdom areas, because they are the earth element and wood penetrates earth, and so it causes a very significant disruption in those areas. So if you're going to avoid placing plants somewhere, that is where that is. The other spot where we want to put some wood energy, plant energy, is in the bathrooms. There is a ton of rushing water in the bathrooms with the toilet and the sink and the tub and the shower, and that is like money energy going down the drain. And so what we do is we add some wood energy to that area to absorb some of that rushing water, so that we don't have the money energy going down the drain. So if you have, a window in your bathroom, adding a live plant works really well. If you don't, bamboo plants work really well, or this is a case where you use an artificial plant in those spaces as well. But be sure to add some wood energy and plant energy into your bathrooms to absorb that rushing energy. We don't want money going down the drain. So here are some quick and easy ways to move the plants around in your home. Use them in your abundance area, use them in your community area, use them in your self-discovery area to get that energy flowing. Be sure to place them with the intention of what you want to create in your life, and it'll create a beautiful flow of energy in your space. It'll work for you and not against you, and it's just a simple way to shop your home to be able to create a shift in energy. I teach all of this in Feng Shui 123, which is, depending on when you're watching this, it's coming out very soon, or it is on the website. So check it out, jillethier.com. Get on the list so that you can see what that is all about. So if you have a Feng Shui question, I'd love to answer it. Ask it below, email me, message me on Facebook or Instagram, and I will answer it on one of the next episodes.